Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. We begin with news on athletics. There were 3 Jamaican winners at the Millrose Games, a World Athletics Continental Indoor Tour Gold meeting in New York City on Sunday. Olympic shot put bronze medalist Rajendra Campbell, who is awaiting the completion of the process for his switch to Turkey, threw a world-leading 21.77 meters to win his event ahead of American Joe Kovacs and Nigeria's Chukwuebuka Enechekwi. 2024 World Indoor Bronze medalist Akeem Blake logged his second win in as many weekends, clocking 6.55 seconds to finish ahead of Puerto Rican Eloy Benitez and American Jordan Anthony in the men's 60 meters. Another Jamaican World Championship 200-meter bronze medalist Brian Lavelle was 5th in 6.66 seconds. In the women's equivalent, 2022 World Championship sprint relay silver medalist Kemba Nelson was 4th in a season's best 7.28 behind winner and training partner Great Britain's Dina Asher-Smith 7.10. Two-time 100-meter hurdles world champion Danielle Williams remained unbeaten with her 3rd consecutive win in the women's 60-meter hurdles, this time clocking 7.90 seconds to once again get the better of world record holder Devine Charlton of the Bahamas, who posted 7.96, and American Christina Clemens 7.97. Tokyo 2020 Olympic bronze medalist over 100 hurdles Megan Simmons was 4th in a season's best 8.04, while Anika Wilson was 6th in 8.12. Natoya Gould-Toppin ended down the track 7th in the women's 1,000 meters, clocking a season's best 2 minutes 39.55. She finished behind Ethiopian winner Siget Oguma, who clocked 2 minutes 35.50 seconds.